Hey everyone. Okay, so if you saw my previous video, then you saw that I was going to do like I had a package coming from Louis Vuitton. Yeah, first and foremost, let's do like a backstory before I even get started, because I'm sure I'm gonna have all the haters in the whole wide world. But if you didn't know, I've been selling LuLaRoe for almost 3 years now. That's why I've been so slow doing videos on YouTube. But I'm getting back. That's future talk. But in the last year, I have literally increased my sales. In 1 month, I increased my sales by double, and then several months throughout the year, I almost tripled my my income. So this is kind of like my bonus for 2018, because I didn't do anything special, and I am going on a cruise. There's only 10% of the LuLaRoe consultants that get to go on a cruise. So I'm super excited about that, because I am going to be going on a cruise in March with LuLaRoe. It's a Royal Caribbean cruise, and they're only going to be LuLaRoe people on there. It's going to be so much fun. Anyway, I'm really excited to go to Aruba. That's one place I've never been before, so I'm super excited about that. But let's carry on. So this is my big fat bonus of the year. A lot of people obviously get money for bonuses, but I decided to treat myself to this instead of cash, right? So, oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I'm so excited. So first, it is a purse. You're probably going to see the title. I'll probably put it in the title. I normally am a big Coach fan. Like, I've been a Coach girl for 20 years. My daughter carries Vera Bradley because she has medical issues with type 1. So she carries Vera Bradley just because she's, only 13. And so I don't carry something like that. I've just always loved Coach, and I have spent a fortune on some of the Coach purses. My husband has bought me purses. There for a while, it seemed like almost every anniversary we'd go out and eat, and we would go to the Coach Coach store, not the outlet. We don't have outlets in our area. So, well, our Coach store in Charleston, West Virginia, in the capital of West Virginia, they shut down. They closed. So no more Coach for me unless I order it. And personally, I love to touch and feel, and I was just like, oh, forget it. So then I bought a Nina & Company. It's a cute little fabric purse with leather on it. It's gorgeous, but I just didn't, after I got it, I was like, this is just not me. It's just not me. It's not my cup of tea. I've used it for a couple months now, and I just don't love it. It's very fun, though, to get into Nina & Company. If anybody's big Nina & Company fans, definitely let me know down below. I've got clutches that I haven't even used. Like, there's a couple things. I mean, it is such a hardcore. That's more fun, honestly, Nina & Company, because it's so hard to get. Like, those purses are ridiculous to get. But I have snagged several items, and I ended up, I just didn't love it. And I was like, well, I could go back to Coach. And then I was like, wait, let me pay myself. Let me treat myself to something amazing. If you can see, I've got two gorgeous mirror chest and dressers behind me. And this is my little boutique. This is the back wall. And then in front of me, underneath this, is my office desk. It's the matching office desk to those. I got all that at Pier 1. It's those not Wayfair. What is it called? It's like Worth something. Y'all know. Y'all know. Anyways, the gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. So I did treat myself to those pieces of furniture. I'm like, well, why can't I treat myself to an investment in a purse? So that's what I did. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't even. I think I need to move my computer off the desk. Move it off the desk. All right, I'm gonna have to like stand up. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh my gosh, look at the orange, guys. Orange, woohoo, awesome. Okay, let me take it. Let me see if I can get it out so then I can like take the bag away. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. It's got like such a fun texture to it. So pretty. Like a laminated texture, almost like wall, like real pretty wallpaper. Okay, so Da, 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 da. Oh my gosh. And watch me drop everything. Alright, so I'm going to open everything because that's fun. Alright, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your products has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials. Yada, yada, yada. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. I'm not going to show y'all how much. Not going to do that. I did have a time I got the Graceful PM. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And, oh gosh, I'm so excited. I had the worst time. Whoa. I had the worst time trying to get the, my order to go through because my address has route in it. It has a route and a box. Well, clearly a lot of people's mailboxes are in their yard. So I have to call and make a special order, and they have to basically send my order to people and not a computer. So then it gets verified and blah blah blah. So it's finally here. Super excited. Obviously I don't usually have problems with post offices. I have boxes every single freaking day. Like right now I just remembered I have boxes on my porch right now. The UPS lady said I had some Amazon boxes, so I probably need to go get those in a few minutes, but oh my gosh. Alright, so super excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Gorgeous. So good. I do plan on purchasing a wallet, a matching wallet. I don't know which one. I've had my eye on it several times. This doesn't have anything in it. Is that just cute, or is it actually? Maybe it does. Hold on. No, it doesn't. I swear it doesn't. Alright, so. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Okay, I love, love, love orange. Alright, orange is usually, from a fashion point of view, orange is usually the #1 color that everyone tends to like. Not always, but it's usually the liked color. So honestly, this is a good thing that's coming from my fashion degree. Alright, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, super excited, guys. Look at that cute little dust bag. So sweet. Okay. So I got the Graceful PM. I thought about getting the MM and going ahead and footing the bill a little bit more, but I was like, no, I don't need that big. I don't need that big of a bag. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous. So gorgeous. All right, making sure. I probably will, one of my favorite places, somewhere that LuLaBro, I say LuLaBro, it's my husband, when, that's LuLaBro talk, LuLaBro. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty, it's so perfect. When we went to Charleston, South Carolina, that's where we plan on living when my husband retires. He's 10 years older than me. He's still probably got another 5 or so years before he's going to retire, but unless LuLaBro, you know, unless I do some more increasing of sales. But anyway, oh my gosh, in Charleston, South Carolina, they do have a Louis Vuitton store. So maybe if we get a chance to go down there very, very soon, I'll get it monogrammed. But oh my gosh, it feels so good, guys. Seriously, it feels so good. Oh, gosh, so good. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. So of course I got the monogram. Just typical monogram. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful with this amazing dark pink. Oh my gosh, like fuchsia, almost a magenta. Oh, it's so good. It's super soft, nice and lightweight. It's not crazy heavy. Oh my gosh, let me pull this up and then I will show you all what it looks like. All right, let's see. Come on, camera. There we go. Awesome. Oh my gosh, all the mess in the background. Okay, so moving the chair out of the way. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now normally I was going to go for the Tureen. That's what I was going to do. I'm 5'4". So as you can see, 5'4". Super cute. It hits me about right above my hip, which I kind of love. So it's not too bad at all. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I love the thick band. That was one reason that I decided to go with this style, because I tend to have a bad back anymore. And I wanted something that was going to be on the lightweight side, still be able to feel a lot of amazing things, but yeah, I love it so much. but I tend to love things on the crook of my arm. That's how I like to carry things most of the time, is on the crook. And if I'm really exhausted or I've got to hold a lot of things, I will go ahead and put it on the shoulder. But I'm not a big shoulder bag kind of girl. But the way this one is made, and I'm not a big tote kind of girl actually, but the way this one was made, I liked how it closed with a magnet. And I could also put my arm here so I don't feel insecure or like anything is going to be open for anybody to grab their hand into something and pull out. So, loving that. Oh my gosh, it's so good, guys. Super good. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it's long, but y'all know how much I like long videos anymore. How many times have I said, this is going to be a quick video, guys, and it's 10 minutes long. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Oh, super excited. Oh my gosh, and I swear I deserve it. I have kicked my butt with this business. Let me know down below if y'all want to see any info about LuLaRoe. I can do all kinds of things. Give you all some tips. If anybody wants to join, let me know. But yeah, I mean, this right here should say, yeah. And guess what? I will be paying it off at the end of the month. I was going to put it on my PayPal account because I had some PayPal. And I was just going to pay it off and give hubby half of it. So half of the cash, just gave him cash. And I ended up not getting a chance to do that. So I just put it all on my business card, which I pay my business card every month. I pay it off every month. So yeah, so I'm not going in debt or anything like that. Because of LuLaRoe, I don't buy clothes. Because I have clothes. I have a huge boutique. And so all I ever do is spend money on jewelry and earrings and glasses and sunglasses, accessories and things like that, shoes, stuff like that. But yeah, I'll be doing probably a review next on Rothy's. I hope y'all have a wonderful day.